Hi, I'm often asked whether I should wear a glove or not with the beginners. The problem you've got is if you don't play very much golf, the hands will get sore, so you need a glove. If you're a beginner with soft hands, you definitely need a glove. If you're a good player, you will also need a glove. Most people do wear gloves. There's two different sorts you can buy. This is a thicker glove. This is used for the beginner or the average hacker. Another glove here is what they call a Cabretta leather. It's very nice, feels nice on the hands, it's a lot thinner, but it doesn't last as long. If you're not a very good player, this will happen to it. You will finish up tearing it. And all of a sudden you've just lost $20, $25. Not the manufacturer's fault, it's the way you hold your golf club. The reason you wear your gloves out is because you grip too high on the club. And that top edge of the grip is very sharp, and when you go through, the club keeps coming away this way all the time. It comes away, your hands come away from the club, and then reloads into the grip, and that's how you tear it. If you're going to choose a glove, you put it on your left hand if you're right-handed. So if you're swinging this way, swinging right-handed, it goes on your top hand, which is your left hand. If you are swinging left-handed, it goes on your right hand. I know it's a bit confusing, but that's how it should work. And you only need one glove. That's all. So I'd advise you, if you have a look at all the gloves on here, your mind will boggle, you won't know which one to go for. So when you come in, always ask for a little bit of help with the glove. It's most important to get the right one and the right fit. Most people buy a glove that's too big for them, but just make sure you get some help. Good golfing.